In this video, we will be learning about countable and uncountable nouns. What are countable and uncountable nouns? Let's start with countable nouns first. Countable nouns are the names of separate objects which we can count. Here is an example. My dad has 3 watches. In this sentence, the noun watch is countable. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are the names of things which we do not see as separate. This is an example. I eat rice every night. In this sentence, rice is an uncountable noun, so we do not use a number with it. Let's look at countable nouns first. How do we use countable nouns? When we use countable nouns, we have to use them with an article or a possessive, such as a, an, the, or my. Here is an example. My friend has a pet dog. Dog is a countable noun, so we use the indefinite article a to describe the fact that the speaker's friend has one dog. Countable nouns also have plural forms. To form the plural version of a countable noun, we usually add s or es to the end of the noun. However, there are some countable nouns which are irregular, like person, which becomes people in the plural form. Let's look at the example from the previous slide. My friend has 2 pet dogs. Dogs is a plural noun, and we can see that to form the plural of dog, we have to add s to the end of it. Now that we have learnt about countable nouns, let's take a look at uncountable nouns. Unlike countable nouns, uncountable nouns do not have a singular or plural form. They only have one form. To quantify uncountable nouns, we usually use phrases like a piece, cup, bowl, or loaf of before the uncountable noun. Here is an example. A cup of tea sounds lovely. Tea is an uncountable noun, so we have to use the phrase a cup of before it. Remember that when we use uncountable nouns as the subject of a sentence, the verb which follows it is always singular. In this example, tea is the subject of the sentence, so the verb sounds is in the singular form. Now let's practice using countable and uncountable nouns. Answer the following questions out loud. How many pairs of shoes do you own? Which pair of shoes is your favorite? Do you like tea? Why or why not?